Hello, Abusia. Welcome to Hushvibetv TV. Today we're talking about Fella Makafui and her solo trip or solo vacationing that she took to America. It looks like from the videos and the photos on her Instagram account, it looks like she toured most of the states in the United States of America, including Ohio, New York, Los Angeles, Atlanta, you name it, just to name a few. And as we saw, she had a very, very good time. This vacationing came after rumors that she and her husband Medikal has been divorced. Not that we're happy, because divorce is never a good thing, especially not when there's a child. In their case, there's a daughter, a beautiful daughter from the marriage. So we're hoping it's not the case. Anyway, we've been actually enjoying all her photos and her videos and her voluptuous body that she constantly displays on social media, and it's gaining quite a lot of traction and attention, and a lot of haters and a lot of lovers. Certainly, I'm one of those lovers, Anyway, today we brought you these videos because apparently there has been a post where she shared on her social media, the Instagram account, that captioned, "Medikal is my new boyfriend." Okay. So we don't know what this is going or where this is going, because Medikal supposedly yanka si ni Madam Fella Makafui ni kun ni dofo bako pekra da jini don't time. And we has more delete more photos and more videos from each other's sites. Na afraid yet ni ekoko here ni said yoko here ni say Madam said or solo trip Medikal and kahum. You who Medikal she be afraid ni here say divorce. Hey, yampa. Divorce abemwa kama yete wan musisi ye hwe ne ye koso say ye stand no mo de be je say ye den ye hu so ene ye sorry ya mami akwakochro say miku no na de oye me boyfriend ya simu already Christ just a Gen Z kra da na mo de be wiase Generation Z ya simu eku fede ku na be dan boyfriend. Anyway, as it stands, we don't know the gist, but when we get the gist, the full gist, we will surely bring it to you all. But for now, enjoy some of the photos, the videos, the food, everything that went on in Atlanta, New York, Columbus, everywhere in the United States. Enjoy.